Yeah. You don't think it's gonna worky? I'm going to destroy this fan. Why am I going to destroy this fan? I don't know. I mean, I like it because it's blue, but that's the only benefit it has with it. Like I explained in the previous scene. It's blue, but it's cheap. I mean, it's barely standing up as it is. Get up! Oh! And the motor came undone. Awesome! I'm sorry, Emerson Colley made this look so much easier. I'm done. I'll admit it wasn't that great, but you know what? It was a cheap fan and I found in the garbage. What do you want? You want theatrics and large theatrics and a big production? Go elsewhere, okay? Because this is my show. My show. So I guess, until next time, whenever that is, I'm going to close with a different closing. So pretty much that's the upshot of things, because Eskie fucking said so. That probably had to have been the most stupidest thing I've ever done. Second only to wearing this stupid Frozen shirt. I don't know. Cheers.